So myself Abhay, on behalf of Agile Testing Alliance and AI Test Fest, I welcome you both Sachin, Sakore and Sreedhar Babu from Vodafone Voice as our esteemed speaker for AI Test Fest, that is hashtag ATA which is happening on 22nd at Nagarro, Gurugram office. So I'll welcome you both. Uh, so firstly, as we know your name, so can you please both introduce yourself little bit so that we get to know better.
Okay. Thank you, Abhay.
Great.
Yeah, sure. So thank you, Abhay. Thanks for providing this opportunity. So myself, Sachin Sakore, and I'm having over 15 years of experience in the realm of IT industry. I have contributed in the various domains like the telecom, BFSI, and into the e-commerce and the e-learning domains as well. So, as a part of manual testing, automation testing, there are various contribution in terms of optimization, strategic planning has been done from my end, and as a part of a AI enthusiast, the regression optimization technique has been emerged as an idea, and that helped us to contribute as a part of a paper presentation for this particular meeting. That's it from my side.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Sachin, for a very brief introduction. Sridhar, request you to please introduce.
Yeah, thanks, Abhay and the AA Test Fest for this great opportunity. Myself, Sreedhar Babu. Okay, I am having overall 19 plus years of experience in the software testing world. I worked on the versatile domains of the BFSI and capital gains as well as the telecom domain predominantly. I see this one. This is really a fantastic opportunity for us. How we can able to showcase our ideas where we have used the flavor of the AI, where we are using in our day-to-day operations. And this kind of a forums will always give us some kind of a extra energy to bring such kind of a wonderful ideas and share with the wonderful people and seeking the wonderful feedback for the improvement, as there is always a room for the improvement. That's all from my side, Abhay.
Great to know and a very brief and nice introduction. And thank you on behalf of AI Test Fest and Agile Testing Alliance. So, tell us something about your topic. What are you going to present and how it will help in the emerging era of AI testing?
Yeah, because as Sachin rightly said that one, we wanted to present the regression optimization technique by using the AI capability. Okay, just to give a short introduction of this particular utility, because every business runs when there is a BAU functionalities as working fine, even after making so much of technological changes and the functional changes together. It is a need of our to keep the existing BAU functionalities up to date. This is the basic hygiene of every business. That is where the triggering of the idea came into the picture, because the AI is a buzzing word in the today's world. Why can't we use that particular capability in order to mix with the human intuition together? That's where we started working towards that direction, where this capability is helping us in order to bring the small subset of the regression test cases from the master regression, by keeping in mind that one, how the minimum test cases can give the maximum coverage. I don't wanted to go into the more technical details, but just to give at a high level glance, we have been divided the entire regression pack into the logical modules basis on the telecom domains and the subdomains, and basis on the algorithms and the huge considerations which we have applied. Basis on that one, we are going to get the right setup subset from the master regression. But just to mention that one, we are not 100% only relying on the AI. We are trying to make the fact check in every release and learning from the releases implementation. And we are applying the continual improvement cycle, and we are enhancing with the more training data to the AI feed. However, I can say that one, the accuracy of what we have been built is 90+%. That is really giving us the positive energy to move into the right direction, Abhay.
Thank you. It was a really nice introduction of your topic. Sachin, you want to add something to that?
So yeah, but and most of the points Sridhar has already covered, but I'll just emphasize on the 3 points. Like there are three WS type questions we have mainly focused on covering as part of this daughter presentation, which is dynamic optimization technique for the regression suit selection. So why it is required, what is required, and how it is been implemented. So we have elaborated all those details as part of a presentation. So it is based on the regression test suits release after release, or maybe during the sprints we are utilizing. So why it is crucial and yet very important to optimize the test cases in order to just nullify the duplicacy or the redundancy of the test cases, yet whatever evaluation we are doing as a part of the test cases optimization, it should deliver the better quality results with the minimal number of test cases, which will gain the efficiency and the effective results as part of a quality testing. So that's what we have planned to present as part of this daughter presentation.
Nice, very nice. Okay. So as the world is revolving towards AI, okay, and we have heard a lot about it in our previous conferences like GTR and other conferences happening in the world. So, how do you see the world after 5 or 10 years down the line when AI will be getting more matured, and how it will help the people to get their job done? Will it kill the jobs? Will it make people more enhanced? And how, what is the plan for voice to do in the era of AI and train the people and get the job done on enhanced basis? Or it will just obsolete from the market like any other technology which came in last 20 years and gone out? What are your take on this?
Okay, Sridhar, do you want to proceed further?
Yeah, thank you very much, Abhay. You asked the yeah, yes, yes.
Yes,
Are
if
you
you
able to hear me, right, Abhay?
yeah, we can hear you. Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, yeah, Abhay, you asked the right question. Just to answer this one, one thing I can say, basis on my close to 20 years of experience, the way which we are doing this kind of a deliveries today, and in the especially in the software industry, I can say that one this traditional way will going to change largely with the introduction of the AI. I can't say that one AI is going to kill many jobs of the humans. There is always a need of humans, and there is a always need of human intuition, which is really needed. But if we don't enhance and upskill ourselves towards the direction of the AI, then it is a problem with the individual. A, every time if you see the technology trends, every 1 decade and the 2 decades, there is a huge surge changes will happen into the market. Okay, but we need to adapt along with the flow, and then we need to upskill ourselves. The AI, the beauty of the AI is not only having the impact on any one of the domain or the industry, it has a large impact on each and every domain, whether you take the financials, healthcare, logistics, inventory, telecom, or any domain you name it. The AI will play a predominant role in the upcoming 5 to 10 years. That is the reason there is more chances might be popped up, but however, we need to be very careful in upgrading and upskilling our skills towards the AI era. That's what my input is. Sachin, please add your valuable inputs, please.
Yes. Thank you, Sridhar. Yeah. Adding on to the inputs which Sridhar has provided, I would just say like if nothing is challenging you, it will not create a change. So day by day, the technology is evolving, and we are seeing the improvised result by using those technologies. So if we see earlier, we were just using the manual testing. Post that, there are certain automation tools has been introduced, like we can say the UFT or the QTP. Thereafter, the Selenium. So there are certain involvement of the human efforts are required to drive those automation tools with a certain scripting knowledge. Now, with the image of AI based modules or AI based technology, we can see the large number of details automatically they hold the capability to drive with the very effective results with very less human inputs, and very proactively the outcomes can be evolved very effectively. So I can say there are equal chances that yes, definitely AI will kill up to certain extent of jobs as well, but at the same time it will create certain opportunities. Those who are having the capabilities to use those AI effectively by adding certain skill set across the same, and in parallel to that, if there are certain job opportunities, how we can optimally and effectively utilize them to drive our regular BAU activities or new opportunities that will create an impact.
Thank you so much for very broad insight on AI and what is going on in the market. Uh, Apart from this technical word, this AI thing, Selenium testing, coding. Sridhar, what do you do in your leisure time on a break, or what all are your hobbies basically? What would you like to do apart from this 9 to 5 things and these learning times, except these learning and presentation times?
Yes, why? Because after and during the lockdown, we are habituated to be addict to some of the OTT platforms as well. And I watch movies a lot, the one thing. And the second thing is I'll also spend some time to make me update with the world as well. So that I also need to spend some time in order to get some kind of learnings, because I feel that one, if we stop learning the things, there is a full stop in our career. That's the reason it's always a karma for us, that one, how we can able to upgrade and be there as a lead by example when we are really moving towards the direction of a program manager or a senior program manager. That's what
So,
I would say about.
which recent movie have you watched?
I watched the Chava in the movie theater in the recent one. Okay, in the OTT platform. If you ask, I saw Game Changer movie.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sridhar. Uh, Sachin, what do you do as your hobbies are in a break time hobbies, or long means the hobbies which you are not able to pursue maybe because of your 9 to 5 job, and whenever you get time, what do you like most to do?
Okay. My hobby is to listen music. I'm a music lover, and in fact, when time permits, and if the audience is there who can capable and ready to hear me, I can sing a song for them. Provided the song has been nicely prepared by me. Otherwise, I'll prefer to be a bathroom singer only. And the second important thing is what I want to do. So I would like to learn the guitar, but yeah, definitely the time doesn't allow me to learn the guitar because it will require some dedicated time. And during the 9 to 6 or maybe whatever the flexible time with respect to the alignment with the client will require to contribute in our project. So I'll check like if weekends are permitting me by having some work life balance, then definitely I would like to go for the guitar learning.
Okay. So in AI test phase, we would like to hear your singing skills also with this presentation. Okay, we will try some karaoke so that we can get rejuvenated after once the conference is closed. Okay, have you attended ATA GTR anytime in last
Not
year?
me, but yes, Sridhar was the winner for last ATGTR Fest. I think Sridhar came back more.
So that is why I was saying that in that we in the last after the presentation ceremony we have singing, dancing, everything. Basically, it's a retreat. That's why. So maybe next time, please come. And in AI test pitch also, I will request Adi that we should have some singing session. Thank you so much for your time, for insightful, uh, eh, for all the insights you have given on AI and on the behalf of Agile Testing Alliance and AI Test Phase, we welcome you as our esteemed speakers, and we are eagerly waiting to hear you out in Gurugram on 22nd March.
Thank you, Abhay, for the
Thank you, Abhay.
opportunity.
Thank you, Abhay.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye bye.